We're driving west to the coastline, and it feels like summertime as the wind is blowing by. Yesterday
Happy third birthday, Basti!
Happy birthday, anak! Thank you so much.
skies ahead, the clear
Happy birthday, Basti! I love you!
Happy third birthday, Basti!
Bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang ating birthday na naman si Basti together with Mr. Mommy and Daddy.
Si Sebastian Paul, wish ko sa iyo na maging malusog at matalino.
Happy birthday, Apo, Sebastian. Ang tatlo lang ang sasabihin ko sa iyo, Apo. Maging mabait ka, ang kalusugan mo, maging maayos, at maging matalino ka, at may takot ka.
Nothing holding us back. So we go chasing the sunlight. Hold on, yeah, it's a wild ride. Won't stop. Now this is our time. The best is yet to come. Let's go. Soak up the sun rays. Smile on, yeah, it's a new day. Can't stop. Life is what we make. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
Hello, Basti. Ito si Tito Ninong mo to, Tito Nan. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana magkaroon ka pa ng mas maraming ganitong moments sa buhay mo, sa paglaki mo.
Message ko lang sa birthday mo is sana happy ka, and sana pag napanood mo to paglaki mo, makikita mo kung gaano kasaya yung birthday mo, and wish ko lang sa'yo lumaki ka, malusog at masaya, and also syempre may takot sa Diyos.
Patuloy ka lang na maging masaya sa kinabukasan mo. Wish ko na maging successful ka in life mo, in the future. At maging happy ka.
And sana lumaki kang masunurin sa magulang, matalino, wise, mabait, at mabuting tao. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Yeah. It's okay for you to let it go. You ain't gotta do it on your own. You can sing along with me like ba ba da ba da ba da ba da ba ba. And I was like, whoa, sun is shining like gold. I think I finally know it's okay to let go. I feel like whoa, life is good for my soul. Used to think that I know. Every day I keep moving forward. Ba ba da ba ba da da ba da. Ba ba da ba ba da da ba da. Ba ba da ba.
Happy third birthday, anak. I love you so much. At ngayon magiging kuya ka na. Paging magkasundo kayo ng kapatid mo, kahit paras kayong makulit.
Happy birthday, Basti! It's your third birthday today. I'm so grateful for your life.
Payo ko lang, anak, magkaroon ka ng takot sa Panginoon, lumaki kang may takot sa Panginoon. Kasi pag ganun, everything follows.
This birthday, talagang sinelebrate natin kasi this is your last birthday na ikaw pa lang ang baby namin. So, I hope you enjoy this day, and I love you, anak. I wish you happiness and good health as always. Love na love ka namin ni Daddy.
The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Salamat at tumating ka sa buhay natin. I love you, anak. Happy birthday.
My soul.